The usual way to fit PVC fence posts is to dig a hole and use quick-setting concrete to secure it in place. In my situation this was not possible, so another method had to be used. Fortunately, the PVC posts have a square center section with a galvanized metal insert which gives added strength. Looking online, I found a supplier of metal tubing that sold 3000 mm galvanized tubing that had a 3 mm wall and an outside diameter that exactly fitted inside the square galvanized insert. The supplier of the tubing would for a slight charge cut it down to 1500 mm in length. The 1500 mm tubing needed to be sharpened at one end to make it easier to drive into the ground, ready for the post to be slid into place. The post, insert and sharpened tube. I decided to have a row of concrete blocks first. These were individually leveled. 4 blocks exactly fitted between the posts. The PVC panel was laid on top of the blocks to show the position of the post and a metal tube inserted into the post to give its exact position. The tube was then driven into the ground, checking all the time that it was vertical in all directions. It was driven in until of the 1500 mm length 900 mm was above ground and 600 mm below. Because there is no post below ground, the full 8 feet can be used if required, and the top of the post can sit proud of the panels and have its capping fitted.